everybody, this is Jared Fisher, director over at Escape Adventures. Today I have a really cool video to show you. This is the Bachelor and Bend area in Oregon, the Cascade Lakes area. What you're gonna see here is some really neat single track that winds its way just north of Mount Bachelor. Also on this video, you'll see some great footage in the Paulina Lake area, which has a really neat single track that goes around the caldera. So I hope you enjoy today's footage, and we'd love to have you out someday on this incredible Bachelor to Bend mountain bike tour. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video footage as I did filming it. And I hope to have you out on a trip someday. And remember, live your dreams, don't dream your life. Thanks for joining us.